Babe, I'm recording.
I'm asking if you got salsa.
Do we have salsa?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. I thought you were taking a day off from recording today.
Babe, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello. Welcome back to another video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I missed you so much. If this is your first time visiting the channel, hello, my name is Q. I would love to have you as one of my cutie Qs. If you can hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notifications on so that you are reminded every time I post a brand new video. So you guys, I can't stay away too long. I miss the fried seafood, you guys. So we have king crabs, shrimp, scallops. I mean, it's so good. I can't help myself. I also am trying something new. We have fried corn on the cob. It looks a little bit burnt, but it's not. And you guys, we have fried deviled eggs. Look at that. Fried deviled eggs. Have you guys ever had fried deviled eggs? So you know, for the seafood boils, I love corn. I love you know, the corn and the eggs. So I was missing the egg, so I had to have it. And I also have some water here, and I also have the red sauce that I told you guys about. It'll be linked down below if you want it. So I am gonna taste the corn first. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Mmm. 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 Ow. If you're new, I do burp, smack, and moan. So if you don't like that, I wouldn't recommend watching. Look. Fried double egg. Mmm. 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 You guys. Mmm. Mmm. Shrimp. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Have you guys ever had a fried deviled egg? Some people call it angel eggs. Whatever. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. That is so delicious. Mmm. 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 You guys. Mmm. So good. So the fried deviled eggs are so easy. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, I'm telling you, these fried seafood and fried eggs, so good. So good. This is a scallop. Mmm. Mmm. Fried scallops are the best. Mmm. So I'm sorry I was going yesterday, you guys. But to make up for not being there yet, but for not being on yesterday, I'm gonna post on Sunday. Clean crab leg. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wish I could eat this every day. I really do. It's so good. And that crunch. You guys have got to try this. I hope you guys are doing good. I don't know if I asked you that already, but I really miss you. Fried seafood is just a whole nother level, man. I'm telling you. Man, this is just on a whole nother level, I'm telling you. So for the deviled eggs, I don't like relish, so I don't put relish in mine. I just do mayonnaise, honey mustard, regular mustard, a little bit of sugar, garlic, onion powder, and paprika at the top, and that's pretty much it. Excuse me. It's so crunchy. You guys really gotta try the fried deviled egg. You guys, I know I keep saying it's so good because it really is. The corn, I can do without that next time. It's good, but not my favorite. I love that crunch. I love that crunch. And the thing with fried seafood, with all the breading and everything on it, it gets you full quick. So you really don't even need that much. You can actually make it stretch. So, taking the day off, I was able to get caught up with some chores around the house, have a nice romantic dinner with my boo. You guys. It's thundering right now. Oh my gosh, that is so good. If you've never tried this before, what would you be most excited to try? The king crab, the shrimp? My favorite is, you know, obviously the king crab. Well, it's not obvious, but my favorite is the king crab. Excuse me. I love the scallop. I think I like the scallop better than the shrimp. But for those of you that are concerned about all the fried food that I'm eating, somebody left a comment saying that that's a heart attack. I know your blood pressure is high, blah, blah, blah. Well, I checked my blood pressure today. It's actually 118/70. So I think that's pretty good. Man. This is a big knuckle. It's so good. This is so much better than a regular seafood boil. So much better. Woo! Y'all, I am full. A lot of you guys said that you were going to try the seafood, the fried seafood very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did try it, since I've done it, or since you've seen other people do it, do you like it? Is it your favorite? Like, it's my favorite now. It's just so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you tried it or not. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for rocking me. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for loving me the way you do. Please continue to spread love and light. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Love and light. Where were we? Love and light. Yeah. Remember to spread love and light. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.